Hello folks, this is Brian once again, and this is the in-depth review for the Polsen CS-88A Shotgun Microphone. Right now this is recording through the DSLR's built-in microphone, and now I'm gonna switch over to the microphone, the Polsen microphone, so that you get an idea like what it sounds indoors, closed environment, and I'm gonna tell you about the microphone settings, the camera settings, and as well I will tell you about the microphone settings on the camera. Stay tuned folks. Alright guys, so now I have attached the Polsen microphone to the DSLR, and settings on the camera is set to 20. The sensitivity for the microphone input is set to 20. That's the max on this DSLR, the D750. The Polsen microphone right now is without the windscreen, without the foam windscreen on, and it's on normal mode, 0 decibel gain, and the low pass filter has been switched off. So basically it's on the bass mode. This is what it sounds like. I'm gonna switch over to the low pass filter on with the 0 decibel input. This is what it sounds like. No windscreen. Only the low pass filter has been switched on and at 0 decibel gain. And this is what you hear with 10 decibel gain, and I have turned off the low pass filter off. Bass mode on the low pass filter and 10 decibel gain. This is what it sounds like. I'm gonna switch over and I'm gonna put on the windscreen so that you get a feeling of what it sounds like from on the microphone where you're indoors. No external sound, no disturbances, but I'm gonna try on the windscreen on the microphone. Right now, what you hear on the microphone, this is with the windscreen on, low pass filter switched off, with the windscreen on, 0 decibel gain. This is what it sounds like. This is what the microphone sounds like with the windscreen on, low pass filter activated, and the gain set to -10. Next up, I'm going to do the same, except that I'm going to set the decibel settings, the gain settings, to +10 decibels. And this is what it sounds like with the low pass filter activated and the windscreen on the microphone, and the gain settings set to +10. I'm approximately 1.5 meters away from the camera and the microphone pointing straight at me. Okay guys, so enough of testing indoors. Let's head outside and test out this microphone with the various settings that I will try out in the outdoors. It's raining outside, it's pretty windy. It's New York City, of course, so like weather is unpredictable. Yet still I'm gonna try out the separate and various settings just to test out like how it sounds, how the microphone sounds, and then I'm gonna decide if I should keep this microphone or change it for a new one. Stay tuned for the outdoor test.
Hey folks, I'm outside today and I'm gonna do the in-depth review for the Polsen CS-88A Shotgun Microphone. And as of now, right now, I'm recording through the DSLR's microphone, the built-in microphone. I don't have an external source attached to the camera right now, so just to give you a little sneak peek like what it sounds like without the microphone. I'm approximately 2.5 meters away from the camera, and this is what you're hearing from the camera. It's pretty windy. There was rain today, and had to delay the shoot today. So, well, it's AM already. It's almost 3 in the morning in New York. So I'm gonna test the camera, the shotgun microphone to the camera, and test out the various angles and the noise levels. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have attached the microphone, and on my camera I have the setting. The sensitivity is set to 20. That's the max on my DSLR. It's the Nikon D750, and this is the microphone raw output without any windscreen on it, so meaning the shotgun part, the microphone part, is exposed. It's slightly windy. I'm trying out to see like how it sounds. So this is like the microphone pointing straight towards me. and there's no extra additional filters attached, or I have not done any kind of raw processing of the sound, just so you know. And the camera is mounted on a tripod, no external movements. In a parking lot there's a car nearby that's running on the engine, and people walking around, although it's pretty late at night. This is the microphone without the windscreen, and just so you know, the noise filtering, the low pass frequency has been deactivated. So this is like just a normal microphone, and no boosting, no gain. This is at 0 gain. I'm gonna test the windscreen on the microphone and see how it sounds. So just stay tuned for that part. So now I've attached the windscreen, the foam windscreen on the microphone with the same settings. Sensitivity set all the way up to 20 max, 0 decibel gain, low noise pass, and sorry for the interruption though. And the car engine is still running, it's still windy, and here's how it sounds with the windscreen. So right now what I'm gonna do is, and the microphone is still pointed directly towards me. I'm gonna move around a bit and give you a little input, like how it sounds if I move onto the side. So right now I'm moving to the left, to my left, and keeping the same distance from the camera. And this is how it sounds from the farther distance. And I'm going to take a few steps back so you know how it sounds like from further away, just to test the sensitivity of this device. Again, there's wind with the windscreen on the microphone. Right now I'm gonna do a little more. I'm gonna increase the gain on this. Alright, the same settings on the camera, and I've boosted the gain to plus 10 decibels. I'm not sure if you can hear that song playing in the car. The driver's just, probably enjoying his moment there. This is what it sounds like with plus 10 decibel. Again, same settings. Sensitivity on the camera maxed out. This is the microphone with the windscreen, plus 10 decibels. I'm gonna lower it down all the way to negative 10 decibels now. I just brought down the gain to negative 10 on the microphone. Same settings, maxed out sensitivity on the camera with the windscreen on, and this is what it sounds like. I'm good. Thank you. Well, from the outputs on the microphone with the low pass filter on, I put the gain to 0. This time I brought it down to negative 10. I'm not gonna push it to positive 10 because I guess it's gonna catch too much noise. And I just wanted to do one last check with the negative 10 decibel gain. Let's see how it sounds, and this is what you hear. No external filtering, nothing, just whatever is there basic on the microphone. It's a very basic shotgun microphone. So here it is, what it sounds like. Negative 10 gain and low pass filter on. Okay, now is the final test. This is with the low pass on, the low pass filtering on the microphone on, and I've brought down the gain to 0. It's level at 0 with the low pass filter on, activated on the microphone, and this is with the windscreen and same camera settings. So this is the outputs, yeah. So I'll go back home, check back, and you're gonna get the update very soon, whether this microphone is a keeper or should I return it. Thank you for watching, guys.
So we've come to the end of the test, and let me know in the comment section what you feel like about this video, what you feel like about the tests. If you want to know further more about this particular model of the microphone, please feel free to do so, and please forgive my very basic setup because I'm still learning, you know. We always need a room for improvement, so this is only the beginning. I hope I can improve more in the near future. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Any kind of criticism, good, bad, whatever it is, you're always most welcome. Please let me know what you feel like about this video or about this product. I have not been endorsed by anyone, any company for making this video. This is not a monetized video. This is only my personal vlog regarding the product itself. So I hope you guys will enjoy it, and please, please, please like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Show me a little bit of love. Thank you so much. Peace.